There's some more in these boxes over here. What'd you find? What'd you find?
Look, Mommy.
What are they?
Snowflake.
Oh, wow.
The little tiny snowflake.
Cool. What's over here in this one?
I don't know. What's in this one?
Looks like good stuff.
Wow. Look what I got, Mommy.
Cool. It's a Rudolph.
I got a Rudolph.
Is this fun?
Yes. And cupcake. And cupcake paper.
Awesome.